Quarantine over! Woo-hoo! We left, finally. We got cleared yesterday. And now it's time to go somewhere else. Woohoo! We're sailing to the south of the island of Grenada.
That's Morne Rouge.
That's Morne Rouge over there. This is Prickly Bay. We just anchored about 25 feet of water. Gary went to check the anchor and the water's got so much stuff in it that you can't even see the chain. So the marina way back there. Everybody told me it was really rolling in here, so we really hesitated to come in here. But we thought we'd give it a chance, a try, and there's a laundromat over there, so I really want to go there and get some laundry done. The machines instead of by hand. Today is a holiday, so there is no... So I think the grocery stores are open, but that's about it. And we are here. A few of the boats are anchored. To land, to shore are moored. Most of them anyway. Pretty place. So we'll be here for a few days. And then we'll see after that. After more than 2 weeks in the boat, it felt so good to stretch our legs and explore. Coming from Florida, even though we were familiar with most of the flowers and plants we saw, it was still wonderful to see colors and smell the fragrance. You really appreciate it so much more when you've been away from a while. We are Chantal and Gary, and this is our home Maracudja, a Beneteau 423. 2 years ago, we retired early to live our dream. We left our land home in Florida and sailed the Caribbean south to see new horizons. This season 3 and during the COVID pandemic, we find ourselves in Grenada, the Spice Island. So click the subscribe button and follow our journey. We are leaving Prickly Bay. Woo! This place was rolly. Oh my goodness.
See a reef breaking out there?
Uh-huh. There's a reef over there. We're gonna go around that reef. Yay! Some mighty swells over here. Jeez. Dang, that's some swells. Massive reef over there. Massive. They call it the dolphin. I think it's the shape of the reef. Gary's not having a good day. He lost his sunglasses. What else? Watch broke, and he lost his solar light.
3 things. I got my teeth cleaned, so that went well.
He's very nervous. When he's nervous, he doesn't think straight. Jeez, that was gnarly.
No.
Yes, it was.
That's fun.
God, we were taking the waves to the side. Oh my God. A washing machine.
Woo. Sporty. Our friend Rob says sporty. Breakers over there that...
Big reef over there too. Rocks sticking out of the water.
Oh, I see a marker. Red marker with that. It's all deep though. 20 feet. Famous last word.
Another reef over here. Want to make sure you stay inside the markers. Isn't that funny? It's our friend Martin up ahead of us. And we didn't leave at the same time. We didn't leave from the same place. We all arrived at the same time. What's the name of this bay? Clark's Court Bay. Hartman Bay. I don't know anymore. That's the Phare Bleu Marina over there. The Phare Bleu.
And we're going down there to anchor. No, I'm sorry, way down there. Not anchor, take a mooring. All right, we are, this is what, Clark's Court Marina, I believe. Yeah, they have a farmer's market today. So we're gonna go check it out, see what they got. And man, there's a lot of dinghies over here. Yeah. Oh, very busy place. And there's more dinghy spots over here too. We're way down over there in the little bay. Oh my goodness, we've got a whiteout out there. We're at the farmer's market. They got meat, they got coffee, homemade juice, bread, fruits and veggies. Really cool stuff. Just look at the camera. We're checking out this mooring field here, see if it's rolly or if it's well protected. We were rolling last night because the swell was coming from the west. Oh, it was so uncomfortable. It's getting better though. So these don't look bad.
Not a lot of room though.
No.
And you're up against a rocky shore.
This is Hog Island. We're gonna go around to the other side. We are on the mooring over there, and it is super rolly right now anyway. Hopefully it's gonna get better, but we're here for a month. We've already paid, so we don't have a choice. We're getting our exercise this morning. Gotta go up the hill and then go up another hill to go to the bus stop. Whew. We came from down there. There's some nice houses here. Beautiful. They're high up so they get the breeze. We're still going up. Hey, what a view. That's Whisper Cove Marina down there. Our dinghies at Whisper Cove. What a view, huh? Except today it's really hazy. Again, it's because of the Sahara dust that's everywhere, all over the Caribbean. I think it's on its way to the States too. Sometimes we get it in Florida. So it's very hazy. Sun barely peeks through, even though it's a little sunny. But it's a little blue sky, but it's hard to see anything. Everything is coated with that red dust.
I have whole ones here. You want to frame whole one?
Send the movie for us.
You have a whole one?
Yeah, whole one.
Shoot, yeah, I want to see that. If you don't mind.
Show the video too, baby.
Yeah. You gotta tell me your name and I'll put it on there too.
Gavi, show him the video where we catch it for sure. You have it on your phone?
Holy moly. Look at the size of that fish. Wow.
Gavi.
Man, you got,
Yeah, you take the whole tuna and go with it.
that's awesome. Look at the size of that head.
Gavi.
And you guys are catching this?
Show the video.
Wow.
Okay, Ole.
Baby.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Show the video.
Okay, I will take a look at it.
Master fisherman.
Thank you. So what were you saying about exporting?
We export, Grenada exports the most yellowfin, fresh yellowfin tuna to the United States.
Wow.
As a small island, right? We're talking about 2 million pounds a year. Fresh yellowfin.
That's a lot.
Yes.
That's a
Which
lot.
amounts in good time to about 12 million US dollars to the economy here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So these guys from Gouave, Gouave is his name, and I call him a master fisherman, right? You ever hear about GCFI, the Gulf and Caribbean Fisheries Institute?
No.
Right, I'm a member of that. Okay, and I just we had a world event, Clean Ocean, a world event last week, and we had a panel discussion. I was on it. the effect of COVID
Yeah.
on small scale
Fishermen,
fisheries.
yes. So they were hurt hard. They couldn't go fishing, right?
No, we couldn't go.
Yeah.
Right, but the panel discussion was all about centered around that. My name is Cecil Marquez.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I'm the PRO secretary of the Gouave Fishermen Cooperative Society
Cool.
Limited. He's also a member.
Okay.
Have you ever been to Gouave?
Maybe 5 years ago, we took our tour and we drove over
so
there.
These guys came from Gouave. So because of COVID, we cannot export to the United States right now.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And as a result of that, they have to sell it to the local market.
Right.
You're losing a lot of money here. Normally it would be about $10 a pound export price. Now they have to sell $5.
Gouave is a northwestern town of Grenada and considered the fishing capital of the island. Many of the commercial fishermen are from Gouave.
Do they have to go far to go get those fish?
They go about 40 miles, 30 miles.
That's a lot.
Right.
Like many other Caribbean islands, Grenada is facing a decline of commercial species of fish, like the jacks, yellowfin tunas, and flying fish. 95% of yellowfin tuna catches are exported to the United States. Fishermen are now using long lines to catch several fishes at a time. Gouave Fishermen Cooperative Society Limited, or GCFI, is educating fishermen to be more selective of their catches, keeping only the big fishes, for better reproduction purposes. For more information on GCFI, click the link provided in the text below.
Hi there, how are you? How are you? Do you mind if I film?
You again?
Yes, me again. What is this called? What is
Sardine.
Oh, this is
Hello.
Ah,
Conversation
Sardine, but we call it Jack.
Hello.
you call that Jack?
We call it Jack.
Hello, excuse me.
Hi there.
Who you come to speak to? Me or
You, well, you.
Hey, many times. Excuse me, General, come here. You have breakfast. How are you all today?
You're very good, thank you. We came here to see to buy some fish. We got some.
You want to play?
We got some tuna.
You want to play?
Yeah, yes. There we go. Yeah, I'm filming you. So, what do we got in this plate? Look at that. Wow. That's something fantastic.
$5-6 of tuna,
Yeah, it cost us 20 EC.
which is like
Which-
$7 maybe,
Yeah,
6.5
with
bucks.
these two huge fillet. I mean, look at the size, the thickness of those fillets. The
yellowfin.
tuna was so huge.
Yellowfin tuna,
Yeah. Some you go straight to the port,
right to the fisherman.
right where the fishermen come back. They cut it right there on board their fishing boats. The guy said he went 40 miles this morning to go catch those. He had like 4 tuna in there. He showed me. So pretty incredible. So tonight we're gonna have a nice little fillet for dinner. That's 2 dinners there at least. Here we are at Hog Island, and we're looking at the mooring field. It's really calm in here, but there's not any room for us. And I don't see any free mooring. Got a stage right here. When things are gonna start opening up, I guess they'll have music over here. There's a bar over there. Nice little place, Hog Island. And we're anchored right over there. It's our boat. Hey cows. Hey cows. Hey mama. How's your shower, honey?
It's refreshing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice and cold.
This is how we roll here. Showers in the back of the deck.
Ooh,
Every night.
want some?
No, not by now. Wait. I'll come in and take mine. It was nice? Oh, jeez.
Ooh, it's cold.
This area next to Hog Island is affectionately called Cuba Beach. However, we don't know if these ships are Americans or Cuban. But in 1983, President Ronald Reagan ordered 2,000 troops to Grenada after the assassination of then Marxist Prime Minister Maurice Bishop. The troops found themselves facing opposition from the new government armed forces and the armed Cuban military engineers. Reagan ordered more troops and the revolutionary government collapsed, and another was put in place. 38 years later, Grenadians still point to places where the fighting took place and continue to thank the Americans for saving them. Ferro cement ship, concrete. Yeah. And they're slowly disintegrating. It's been 30 years. 20. Wow, time flies. There's a little beach there next to it. It's called Cuba Beach. Amazing. Ship made of concrete. Somebody put a little, made a seat out of a window actually. Trail over there. We're not gonna go too far because we didn't bring any map with us, so we don't know where we're going and how far this thing goes. And I'm going by myself. Gary didn't follow me. Okay, there he comes. There's the bridge. Let's see how that thing opens. It has to open because the ATV goes on the bridge. Go on the bridge for a minute. With a group of friends, we book a tour and check out waterfalls, a chocolate factory, a historic rum factory, and other wonders the island has to offer. This next video is sure to be fun. So thank you for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button and to like our videos. See you next time.